Drive blade replacement for the 1845F. Using a 3mm Allen wrench, loosen the 4 nose screws and remove the nose cover. Using the 3mm Allen wrench, remove the 4 cap screws and set cap with gasket aside. Remove the drive blade assembly by lifting it up and out of the return cylinder. Apply white lithium grease around the piston O-ring of the new drive blade assembly. Insert the new drive blade assembly into the cylinder sleeve with raised notch facing up. Turn the nailer around and push the drive blade assembly through the joint guide. Align cap, gasket, and cap using the 3mm Allen wrench. Install the 4 cap screws. Turn nailer over and using the 3mm Allen wrench, install the nose cover with the 4 screws.